Right, I've gone in and I've replaced the original bloody rat trap with another one. It's not state of the art, it's more a state of war. As you can see, it's a bloody mess, lads, but I had to use secateurs. Look, this has been my kit. I've used secateurs to snip through some of these bloody wires, like some sort of mental bomb maker's kit, to cut some of the IDE power cables, because it's just a mess, and if you try and unscrew any of it, other things fall apart. It's been an absolute nightmare. Anyway, it's a wreck. You can see it's a bit of a wreck. It looks a bit of a wreck, it is a bit of a wreck. But this is a moment of truth where I'm just going to see if anything bloody powers up on it. I mean, it's been in the shed bloody ages. Look at the state of the fucking thing. It's a right bloody mess. That's the old 450 watt. I plugged in a 300 watt. I know you're all going to be saying, whoa, Baz, you're not going to have enough juice. Probably won't, but let's just see how we go. Try and power the brute on. Anything? Nothing? It's not looking good. We switched on. Something's wearing. Something's wearing in there. Oh, hang on. Something came up then. I had Packard Bell. What we got? Is there anything there? It's bloody plane buzzing over our house. I think something's coming, but it's hard to see it. Bloody screen's as dark as hell, isn't it? Dusty as hell. Is that happening? See, there's two hard drives and maybe one of them. Oh, hang on. Yeah, Windows cannot start. Family file is missing or corrupt. Oh, for config system. So Windows XP then has taken a dive in the box, mate. It's saying that the Windows setup disk is knackered. So, oh, what a shame. We've got a Windows system which is screwed. Oh well. Never mind. There's me thinking I'd fix the thing. Not quite. I need a Windows XP repair disk to get config system 32 config system sorted. Another time perhaps.